So in the box we are getting this bench frame. You can see we are getting this pads, frame parts, which are as shown 1, 2 and 3 and 4. We are getting screw and nuts to tighten this, and this is the kind of band you are getting, and one more part for the band. And we are getting this dumbbell stool instruction manual. So how to assemble this, you have given what is this, primary number of each kind of a bench. We need to assemble it, and I will show you step by step how to assemble this bench. So let's start. So first step is to connect the foot tube and support tube with screw. So this is foot tube and support tube is this one. We need to connect this over here. Like this also. Huh? So you need to connect like this. These are there. So we are connecting the foot tube with the support tube by screws like this, and try to make it over here. Take these small nuts and tighten it. See, the quality is very nice, the finish is nice, some color is peeling off. So now this is the foot rest has been assembled with this support. Now the second step is that in the side plate and the support pin are connected with bolts. So second step is to fix this holes with these pins. Putting this inside this like this. The same way we need to do this also. So this is done. So the next step is to position this over here. Like this. You need to use again this nut and bolts. So this big one will go.
दिखाई भी नहीं दिया वीडियो में.
So this bigger screw will go. This come out, and the bigger nut will use to fix this. Now as it is moving, we need one more pin, the bigger pin, to be get inside this. So now this is fixed. So now the fourth step is to fix the support pipe and the mainframe with bolts. Okay, so we need to fix the support pipe. Support pipe is this one. We need to fix this with the mainframe over here. So it has 2 holes and it has so many holes. 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. 4 holes, 2 holes. You can just fix it as per your convenience. Right, so wherever you want to insert, you can put this. So let's say if I want to put it. So the screw one will go on the top side, so it can move. And now if you fix this, you can use this one. It is top. So let's say if you want to do over here, you can put this like this, and you can do. And now we can place these rubber cups. Over here, now we need the fifth step is the fifth step is to pass the tube through the side plate and clamp it with knob. So we have this one, we have to place it as per your convenience. So let's say I want this height, and then I can place this like this for 5 seconds. And I can also put this rod over here. And place these rubber cups. Finally, on both the sides of this rod. Fix this movement by using this knob which is given. So you can tighten it. It is not now moving. Last step is to use this rubber bands. So what you can do, you can use this over here. So this is the bench, and you can use this to make it as per your incline, as per your inclination. And let me show you if it is moving or not. So if I sit and if I do some exercise, it is not moving, right? So the support is nice, it is wide, and you can do easy bench press. It is not moving. And let's say if I do crunches, I hope this review will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.